Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to balance left-right audio sound in Windows. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound. Select Output Device, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels tab. Click Balance. Change to 50. Click OK, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.